everyone, this is Dana Cole, and this is part 2 of my last video using gels. Today we are going to use 3 different lights with 3 different colored gels, and we have my lovely model Sophie here today. She was here, of course, for the last video, so yeah. All right, so today I'm using the Canon 5D Mark II and the 100 macro lens for this particular setup. Since I'm just going to do mainly beauty, I might go a little lower, but mainly upper waist and face for this. So I really enjoy the macro lens for that. It is really sharp and it gives really nice, good details. My settings for this look are I'm at f9, ISO 100 and 1/200 of a second for this. So yeah, this is my camera settings. I'm going to show you where the lights are now. Okay, so here I have a blue gel which is hitting Sophie here. So this one is going to be on her side here, and the power is at 7.0 for this one. We have my main light, which is all of these are Profoto D1 500 airs. So we have the main light here, which has a red gel on it, and this one is, as you can see, directly in front of her, so most of her face is going to be red with a blue gel coming here. And then on this side I have another light with an orange gel which is hitting this side of her, and it's just angled a little bit behind her also, but it's still gonna hit her on the side. As you can see, it's making her nice and orange here. So again, we have orange here, we have a blue gel hitting her here, and then we have my main light red one here. And I'm using no modifiers. The D1s do have like a built-in reflector, but I am not using any other modifiers for these. So we are going to get to shooting now, so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so you have seen how I would do a 3-light look using 3 different colored gels on each particular light. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you try this setup yourself if you never have. If you're a member of my Facebook group, you can post your results below if you do try it. And if you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell so you can get notifications when I post a new video. I do hope you have a lovely day, and that is it for us for now. So see you later. Bye.